In this video, I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp number not verified. So first of all, you have to make sure that your phone number is correct which you are trying to verify on WhatsApp. Once you make that sure, there are still a number of ways or fixes that you can try using to fix your WhatsApp number that is not being verified. So first of all, you have to restart your device as sometimes it can be a glitch or a bug. So you very simply have to hold on to your power button and your volume up button. Once you do that, you will see a menu. So from that menu, you can very easily restart your iPhone. Secondly, what you can also try doing is to clear the WhatsApp cache. So to do that, you have to open up your iPhone settings. On your settings, you have to tap on General. In General, you have to tap on iPhone Storage. On iPhone Storage, you have to scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, you have to tap on Offload app and you will be able to clear all of the cache that is stored in your WhatsApp application. Lastly, what you can also try doing is to delete the application and reinstall it from the App Store. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.